Khadc opposition leader Titos Starwell Khan suggested that the tourist and local taxis owned by non-tribals, which get their permits from the state, should get a trading license to operate within the scheduled areas falling under the jurisdiction of the council. Speaking to reporters today, urged upon the state government to work closely with the council by making it mandatory that non-tribals who are applying for local and tourist taxi permits will need to submit the trading license.
Pi kan ununu balik business hapo ka jurisdiction jong ka sikshiru wahap anyo ekstrinesa tiga moment ki lokal taksi ki badan hapo seluruh ni ong ki ba ki depan lada kiyo ya kan ka permit taksi tu di bandar ni ekstrinesa lada kimdan ekstrinesa kinum la anyo ya ka permit tiga juru kan apply itu taksi.
Child